The USB-A-MB2 Maryland 2M USB to down-angle mini USB cable provides a high-quality connection between your mini USB 2.0 mobile devices, smartphones, GPS, digital cameras, portable hard drives, etc., and your PC or Mac computer, for everyday tasks such as charging, data synchronization or file transfers. The down-angled mini USB connector allows you to access your mini USB devices, while keeping the cable out of the way, and stress away from the port. As an alternative, we also offer a USB-A-MB2MU, which provides the same convenience as this down-angled cable, but allows you to connect to your mini USB device from the opposite direction. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing! I bought this USB cable to replace my dash cam original cable that was 6 feet long. I have no idea why the manufacturer does that. Plus the original cable USB plugs upside down, what damages the cable also. This one fit perfectly and did the job. Now I don't have a bulk of USB cables on my dash anymore. I highly recommend.